Jijo Papajan from DN.Domains, the Chinese domains blog from India. And here with me is Ashwin Vikhona, who is the manager of Global WebSoft, who is selling keyword domains like the way I am selling Chinese chips. So I got very interested in knowing the secrets of his success. We are here at Hyderabad, which is the cyber city of India. We came here for the ICANN 57 meeting. The who's who of domaining industry is here, and I asked Ashwin whether he could share some of his secrets. So he accepted my request, and I'm very thankful that he is here. And we have a gentleman called Vijender from the hotel staff who is helping us. Thanks, Vijender, for helping us, and let's go into the interview. Yeah, Ashwin is 27 years old. He's managing the company called Global WebSoft, and his company is based in Aurangabad. It's in Maharashtra. He started this company in 2012.
Yes.
2012 he started. He's done his BSc in IT, correct? BSc in IT, and he was in and out of jobs after that. And yeah, Ashwin, let's hear from Ashwin. That will be better. How did you come into domaining?
It was back in the times when I was doing a job, and someone from like I know of in acquaintance wanted a domain name to set up a website, and that website wasn't available for them.
Okay.
It was showing some kind of parked page, and then I realized if they really need a domain name and they couldn't find it,
Okay.
and normal man would not be able to do it so easily.
Okay.
So
okay.
I
So
started-
that was the trigger.
Yes.
Okay.
So I started researching more
Alright.
to get him that domain name, which got me more into domains.
Wow. Okay. Excellent. So could you tell us something about yourself and your company in brief?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Currently, I mean, currently I'm running a company called Global WebSoft.
Yes.
It's a startup. 22 people currently.
Okay.
We are into software development, domains outreach, domain sales, domain brokerage, outsourcing, and a lot of other services.
Okay. To my viewers, is very good in selling keyword domains through outreach. Let us look at his recent 10 sales which happened in last 2 months. I'm going to list it out for you guys. He has sold thrivemart.com for 5K.
5,000.
5K. Spell-checker.com for 2K. Casinobet.org for 1,250. Junkremoval.us for 1,000. Label-solutions.com for 1,500.
500, I believe. Yeah, 500.
500. Atlanta Real Estate Lawyer.com
Broker 600.
600. That was a brokered sale.
Yeah.
Okay, he's also into brokering very good domains. CollegeNinja.com for 1,300. Skin Whitening Solution, that was a brokered sale again.
Yeah.
SkinWhiteningsolutions.com 2,000. BikramYoga.org 1,100. Synergy.net for whooping 21K.
21,000.
21K. Yeah, and as we were talking at the beginning of this interview, he got an email. Was that an escrow sale?
Yeah,
Yeah,
escrow.
it was through escrow. He sold the globalmba.com for 3K.
3,000.
Just we were when we were preparing for the interview. So this is happening on a daily basis. He sells keyword domains like anything. Okay. So these are the 10 sales that happened in the last 2 months, and these are the figures it sold for. Now Ashwin is not comfortable to reveal the purchase price or how much profit he has got on record, but he was kind enough to show me all the details. I have verified all the details of all these 10 sales. What was the purchase price? Where was it bought? And where was it sold? He showed me the escrow receipts. He showed me the purchase receipts. So all these things are verified. These are very genuine sales, and he's always a genuine person. He always speaks truly. He's a very honest person. Everything is verified by myself. But everybody has their own secret sauce. So he's not into revealing purchase price or profit, and I respect that your decision. Okay, let's look more into these sales, Ashwin. Um, First of all, the first sale, why did you pick up this domain name thrivemart.com?
Well, Thrive is a very generic term,
Okay.
and Mart, as in you put it like Flipkart is cart with it. So Mart is again a shopping store kind of thing. So Thrive Mart, there are a lot of sites. If you Google Thrive Mart as a term, you will end up getting a lot of sites which are already in the niche of, like, Thrive Market is a very big brand. Thrive Card is another big brand. So a lot of people are already using Thrive related terms.
Okay.
So it's very obvious that ThriveMart.com is an amazing domain.
Yeah.
And I was like stunned to see that available. It was recent, last 2-3 months ago, I believe.
Okay. You guys need to know he's very good in coding, and he has automated all the process of domain sales, reaching out to end users. Ashwin, why do you think reaching out for domains is important?
See, this is the key thing. With so much distraction today, it's very hard for people to even just focus on anything, let alone so they don't have time to actually go and check if is ThriveMart.com available.
Yes.
One, if it is available, is it for sale? If it's for sale, how much it is for sale for? These are the terms nobody really wants knows.
Okay.
So I cannot even dream in my mind, like let's say you might be interested in buying Jijo.com.
Yeah.
But what is the probability that you would want to reach out Jijo.com and check?
Yeah.
Very less.
Correct.
And what if Jijo.com, the guy who owns Jijo.com, comes to you and say, would you want to buy it? You would be like, yes, I want to buy it. Tell me what price it is.
Exactly.
That's-
So this is important, guys. We know, we hear as a common rule, people, lot of domain industry friends say, do not reach out, keep your domains, end user will come to you. This is what we normally hear. But this guy, I would say he's proved that wrong. He's a king in outreaching, and you have developed a software called Lead Finder.
Yeah, a lot of softwares. One is Bulk OS Finder, another is Domain Lead Finder.
Yeah, he's using this software, Domain Lead Finder. It is not for sale. He's using it for himself. Could you give us a walkthrough of the software, please?
Yeah, I can show you a quick demo of how I'm doing it.
Yeah, Vijender, can you come show this screen for the viewers of Domain Lead Finder?
So this is Domain Lead Finder. If you click on Add Leads, you can just enter the keyword term here, whatever domains you want to sell. What the software does is, if you enter the domain name, it will find potential buyers right in front of you with the rating. What is the probability that they would buy?
Okay.
And see here, there are 151 potential buyers that this software has found. This is a cool tool. We use it for the internal purpose at office to speed up the process.
Ashwin, may I interrupt you for a second? Due to light problems, Vijender is not able to show the screen. But let's focus on Ashwin, what Ashwin is saying. And I think you can, you have a YouTube link already about how this works.
Yes,
and we will provide that to the users,
right,
because it's not catching the monitor.
Yes,
Vijender, can you move to the earlier position and continue how it works?
Right. So it's like, let's say I want to sell a domain.
Yeah.
I'll just enter this domain name in the software, and I just click OK, and within seconds the
Enter
software
the domain name or the keywords.
Domain
Multiple
name
keywords.
Yeah, multiple keywords
related to that
domain name.
Yeah.
And within seconds,
Yeah.
so another software even makes it easier. Just enter the domain name. It will convert that domain name into potential keywords.
Okay.
And later it would figure out potential buyers and would just give it to you in front of. So you get at the end the email address of the buyer who could be a potential buyer according to the software.
And your guys reach out to them through emails.
Yes.
Okay, guys. As I said before, due to the light issue, we are not able to show it right now. But we'll be posting a YouTube link for the demo of this software. Yeah. So let's look again into the sales. I see the second one, spell-checker.com. You sold for 2,000. Do you think hyphen domains sell well? Do you sell a lot of hyphen domains?
Yes.
Okay.
I've sold nyc-movers.com for $2,000.
Okay.
Cloud-vps.com for $2,500. around.
Okay.
A lot of are sold in that range. There's a lot of hyphen domains selling.
Okay.
So that's not even label hyphen solution, which is if you might
Yeah,
see
yeah.
it.
The fourth one, the fifth one, label hyphen solution. Again, that is a hyphen domain. See, guys, he spoke to us about the importance of outreaching. So, if I and you as a normal domainer, regular domainer, we might not even be interested in label-solutions.com or spell-solutions.com, another junk-removal.us. Honestly, I wouldn't even bother to buy it in auctions. Okay.
No, I hand registered this domain.
Junk-removals.us.
For 0.88 cents.
And he sold it for 1K. So this is the difference why outreaching is important. The domains we are not even interested in buying or hand registering. He is buying them and he is selling them for a profit via outreach. This is why this is what makes him different.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, I see another sale, casinobet.org. You sold it for 1,250. Do you think .org domains sell well as well?
It all depends on what relativity it has.
Okay.
Casino bet is a very generic term these days.
Okay.
It's very hard to find casinobet.com anyway.
Yeah.
.net and .org are the another popular terms for it.
Yes.
So casinobet.org is because of its unavailability in the market. ORG just got some power over other extensions.
All right. So it's because of the importance of the term left of the dog.
Yes.
It
Number
is
one
important.
is casino bet term had a lot of searches.
Okay.
It had a lot of high CPC.
Okay.
All these terms really added to the because of
Fine.
very high competition,
Fine.
unavailability of a good quality domain increased its value.
Okay, fine. So next sale, junk-removal.us. So do you think .us domains sell well? Do you buy a lot of .us domains? Do you sell them a lot?
No, I haven't sold a lot of them, but I've sold them.
Okay.
A few. Like I remember selling printingservices.us for 3,000.
Oh wow. Okay.
That was again like hand registered.
Okay. I think there will be a lot of possibilities in hand registering .us domains because
could be, but at the end of the day, when I bought, so there are so many .us domains that I've outreached and tried, but it did not sold.
Okay.
So
yeah. Okay. So any other CCTLDs you found very successful?
I like UK.uk.
Okay. This is
I have supermodel.co.uk.
Okay.
And a lot of other
.uk or .co.uk?
.co.uk and .uk both.
Okay. Excellent.
A lot of two-letter .co.uk domains.
Excellent. Yeah. Another two-letter.co.uk. Could you say it for the viewers? Maybe there will be some buyers who are interested.
I mean, actually, it's not 1, 2.
Okay.
I think I have over 15 of them.
15 two-letter.co.uk.
Yeah.
Okay.
So fg.co.uk. I remember this. I have it. Yeah. OC.uk was recently sold for $10,000.
Okay.
That I recently sold.
Okay.
OC.co.uk still I do have.
Does these need outreach or do they sell themselves?
These are very rare combinations.
Yeah.
If you look for 2 letters, there are only 512 combinations.
Okay.
So even if you don't do an outreach there, that's okay.
Okay.
Because it will work on its own.
All right. Okay. Let's move on. I see you have sold AtlantaRealEstateLawyer.com for 600.
Yes.
Yeah. So do you sell a lot of city plus keyword domains?
Yeah.
Okay.
They are called geo domains.
Okay. Are they easier? Do you find it easier to sell?
The easiest thing to sell a domain in outreach is geo domains.
All right. Okay.
Like let's say londondoctor.com. Just give me an example.
I think you gave me an example. You sold some locks with another.
There's so many locksmith domains that I've sold.
Okay.
So there's this nycplumber.com that I do have.
Okay.
So plumber is again NYC is like geo plumber domain.
Yeah.
They always have value and it's just going to increase in future.
Okay, okay. So your big sale, that was synergy.net, right? So why did you pick this up?
I was like, just see, synergy is a very common English term.
Yeah.
It means to be in synergy with,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
And a lot of energy companies currently use synergy,
Okay.
and energy is a big niche on the internet. Everyone
Is it?
knows
Okay.
this.
Okay.
And synergy is used by hundreds of companies, more than thousands of companies, I would say.
Okay.
There's this software company called Synergetica.net,
Mm-hmm.
based out of Russia,
Mhm.
and they have a setup in US.
Okay.
They were interested in this.
Okay. Are they the buyers of this book?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
They bought it for 21K. All right. So you got all these leads through Domain Lead Finder, the internal software that you are.
No, I mean not everything was from Domain Lead Finder,
Okay.
but it just helps you with
Okay.
finding potential buyers.
Okay.
So always, not every sale is from there,
Uh-huh.
obviously,
Uh-huh.
but majority of my domain sales, it did help. You know,
Okay.
if you try to create automation softwares,
Mhm.
if you try to integrate systems,
Mhm.
it will always help you in the long run.
It takes away a lot of headache. It
Yes.
gives you a lot of
Yes.
time.
Yes.
It helps you to scale up,
Right.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. And congrats for the sale of globalmba.com for 3K. And I think by we wind up another half an hour, you might sell another domain, right?
You know,
He has a lot of domains in negotiation, so sales keeps happening. I think Ashwin, it was a very good interview with you, and thanks for sharing some of the tips. And but do you offer anything for your viewers?
Yes, I mean, if anybody is interested to know more about my recent domain sales, that all happens every other day or so, whenever it happens.
Yeah.
I have a subscriber base on ashwin.com.
Could you spell that out for the viewers?
AISHWIN.com.
Okay, guys, he's saying his website is spelled AISHWIN.com. If you subscribe in that website, you are going to get some free goodies. Could you
Yes.
say
So
what?
one of those goodies is a software that I'm offering.
Okay.
It's a software called Bulk Quiz Finder.
You're going to offer Bulk Quiz Finder for free.
Yes, a trial version of Bulk Quiz Finder is always free.
Oh, okay.
And
I
it's
think
free.
and listen, guys, the trial version is as good as the pro version. Only thing is that you won't be able to export the leads, but you might find that is okay. And what is the regular price of that software?
The software is $58 per year.
Okay.
Currently.
Yeah. So he's going to give the trial version of that free if you subscribe in ashwin.com.
This is also another goodie that
Yeah.
I'm offering you.
Yes.
That there's a lot of people wanted to know where I'm saving all of my domains list,
Mhm.
so that so I'm using Google Sheet,
Okay.
and it's available on cross platform.
All right.
And I made some column systems in that sheet.
Mhm.
So I'm already offering that as a free buy goodie. to anybody.
Wow. Guys, you sign up, you get this free 2 goodies from him. Also, I would like to mention Ashwin is an author. He has authored this book, Sell Domains Fast. And it has got, I heard, very good reviews about this book. And this might be a very good value addition to you. How much is this price, Ashwin?
About if it's a physical book,
Okay.
it's at 479 rupees.
Uh-huh.
At
Can
Instamojo.
you tell in dollars, please?
It's in dollars, I believe. It's
$8.
Yeah, no, yeah, but this is after discount.
Okay.
Current discount that's
Oh,
going on.
okay.
This is after discount. It's 479 rupees.
Okay, it's
Otherwise, it's $15 or $20.
it's about 80 pages. Hard print is
Hard print. I'm talking about hard print,
Okay.
physical copy.
and ebook.
Ebook is again around like $15 something.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is another. Where is this available? Is this
It's-
also available in ashwin.com?
Yeah, there's a link to from ashwin.com.
Okay, we will let you know where to buy this
Yes,
if you are
yes.
interested.
Or it's on instamojo.com. It's also on the Kindle version.
Oh, all right. Okay.
Amazon.com.
Okay, I personally heard a lot of people saying a very good review about this book, and yes, he has automated all his process, and he believes in outreaching, and his software has helped him to grow and sell the keyword domains faster. Every day he has sales. He is an example, a model for all the domainers, especially for Indians who want to come into domaining, and that is the reason DN.Domains is providing. Is interviewing Ashwin, and we would like to thank Ashwin for coming by, and we thank the viewers. If you have any questions, you can reach out to Ashwin at
mail@ashwin.com.
Mail@ashwin.com, and you can give your feedback about this interview. And thanks for watching.